I'ma beat it like a drum, dee 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 dum dum. Pop pop it like a rum, pa pa pum pa pum pum. I'ma beat.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Nazirul Akmal bin Said. My metric number is B071710894. Okay, today I would like to present about my project, which is Mower controlled by Bluetooth. Okay, my SV is IR Mazlan bin Ahmad Mansur. Okay, so let's go to the first topic, which is the introduction. So a mower that can be controlled over Android device via Bluetooth remotely using three main components, which is the first one is the controlled by the Arduino Uno, which is the Arduino Uno is the brain for the lawn mower. Okay, next HC05 Bluetooth module. HC05 Bluetooth module is the medium for the connection between from phone to the lawn mower. The next is the transmitter and receiver module, and the last one is DC motor driver. So the interconnection for both Arduino and other Android device will be established via Bluetooth. So the Bluetooth RC card is used for the interface for the controller to control the lawn mower. Okay, as we can see, both picture represent the previous conventional lawn mower, which is both use petrol. Okay, next we go to the problem statement. Okay, there are three problem statements in this report, which is the first one is smartphone is widely used around the world. People spend a lot of time on the device. To overcome the people from wasting time to nothing. So the second one is previous conventional lawn mower is still relevant. However, by using petrol as energy source can produce air pollution. So the third one is to overcome the noise pollution produced by the conventional lawn mower. Okay, there are three main objectives stated in this report, which is the first one is to design and fabricate an automated lawn mower, which requires minimum human effort. Okay, the second one is the lawn mower can be operated remotely using Android via Bluetooth without any issues. So the third one is to develop a lawn mower at lower cost, lower noise, and less pollution. So in this report also consists of three scopes, which is the first one is to inspire young people to use this innovative tool to clean up their home backyard. So the second one is the Bluetooth connection stretch only up to 10 meters, which is ideal for home use only. Okay, the last one is the DC motor use is not as big as an engine and uses less power than conventional lawn mower, so it is more suitable for everyone rather than for personal usage. Okay, this section show the literature review. Okay, most of them use quite expensive board or quite expensive component. Most of them also use Zigbee, FGA board, and others. Next, we go to the project methodology. Okay, the first one is system operation design. The second one is design interface for remote, which is use RC remote controller. The third one is software and hardware implementation. Okay, as we can see in this block diagram, we can see the Arduino Uno is the main component in this project, which is we call it brain for the whole system. Okay, here is my result, which is the final result for my project. This is a top view of the lawn mower. Okay, we go to the last part, which is the conclusion. The aim of this project is not only to innovate a lawn mower, but also to innovate a product that is interactive, up to date, and efficient. The lawn mower is innovated in this project is an Android-based lawn mower that controls the lawn mower function. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.
Tell the feeling like I'm trapped in my damn mind.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and very good morning. Okay, my name is Muhammad Nazirul Akmal bin Said. Okay, my metric number is B071710894. Okay, today I would like to present about my project, which is Bluetooth lawn mower using Arduino. Okay, this is my project. Okay, first of all, before we start our project, so we need to insert the battery into the battery slot to power it up. So we insert this battery into the into the battery slot. Alright, to control the lawnmower, we need to install the Bluetooth RC controller in the Play Store or App Store. So we just click this app, then you need to connect with the Bluetooth. So we just click allow. Then this is interface for the controller. So then we just connect to our lawnmower. Wait until the green light is appear. Then we can connect the controller with the lawnmower. Okay, after connect to the apps, so we need to switch on the motor for the blade. Then this blade is on. So this is the interface for the remote RC controller. So when we click the forward button, so the lawnmower will go forward, and when we click the backward button, so the lawnmower will go backward. The same goes with the right and left. So when we click the left button, so the lawnmower will go to the left, and when we click the right button, so the lawnmower will go to the right. When the lawnmower detects an obstacle, it will bounce back. The condition of the grass before cutting.